Hi everyone, my name is Vinita, and today we have something really interesting to explore that is called Payhu. Now, Payhu is a banking transfer application which gets you the do all your activities and transactions in a seamless way. You can transfer the money, you can receive money, you can book your tickets from Payhu itself. If you have any air travels happening in coming weeks, you can do it from Payhu itself. You can shop it so that you don't have to jump on different applications. You can pay your electricity bills, insurance bills, your credit card bills, and at the same time maintain all the transaction. But let's get started and see how does the flow and features and what is the key things that you can take it from you. So once you download Payhu, the homepage is going to look like this. So you can just click on it and you can pay the bill payments as well. So let's just get started and see how does the application work. So you can log in or create an account. So if you already have the account, you can just put your phone number and password, or if you have to create one, you need to put your full name, your email address, your phone number, password, and confirm it. And then you can just click on this by checking all the terms and conditions and then just confirm it. There will be an OTP sent to your phone number, so you can just add the OTP and confirm it. And yeah, so the first home page of Payhole looks like this. It's a very pretty nice. Down, if you see, there's home, there's scanner, so that it becomes more seamless for you. There is transaction history, the wallet information. On the left hand side, you see your profile. On the right hand side, you will see notifications, as in if you have to receive any money from the others or if you're paying some things. All the notification would be added here, or if you have to do any bill payments of yours or mobile recharge, all this information will be recorded at the on the notification itself. So it's a pretty nice thing where you can see that you can transfer money, you can recharge and bill payments, you can receive money. As I was saying, you can do shopping from Payho itself, so you can do shopping from here and do the travel as well. So let's explore one by one. First, we'll see two contacts. Now, what does two contacts means in transfer money? Now, say suppose you have to transfer money to a person or a number, so you can just put the information and then you can do the transaction. You'll also see the recent ones if you've paid anyone or if you've received any money from the others. So all this information would be recorded here. So I'm just going to click here and say suppose I have to pay to author. So I'll just click author, and then yeah, so like how much do I have to pay? Do I have to pay around $50 or $500? All this transaction would be there. If the transaction is failed or anything is not being able to do it, all this information would be recorded as in paid or received or it's been failed. So I'll just go and click pay. Now it depends upon me how much I have to transfer, right? Now say suppose I'm transferring around $50, so I'll just type the amount, or $100. I'll just type the amount. You can put a message which will be delivered to author saying that hey, I've paid the rent, or hey, I've paid the bill charges and all. So you can just add the message and then send. Now then you have to do is enter passcode. If you have like you can do pin code, or you can do your face ID, or you can touch it. So I have already added a pin code, so I can just I'll just click the my pin code, and then the transaction is done. So yeah, so on the wallet, if say suppose you want to add some money to your wallet, so rather than going and every single time doing transfer from your bank accounts and all, it's better that you add some amount to your wallet, and you can do your transactions easily. So I'll just go and I'll click on wallet. I'll enter the amount, say suppose $50, and then I'll select my card. Say suppose I'm selecting this card, and I'll just put my pin, and the transaction is done. So all this transaction history would be recorded in the transaction side, and also it will be notified on to me on the notification. If I have to do bank transfer to any person or a particular number, so I can just select it from here, and I can just do the bank transfer. I can just enter the amount, and then the one feature that I really like about Payho is while you're doing bank transfer to others, it gives you an option of adding a message as well. Like say suppose if you want to add a message saying that hey, I've transferred bank amount or bank money to you, say suppose the bill transfer or the messenger transfer. So I can just add this information and then send it, so that the person in front of me will get the information that okay, I've received $100 or $50. At the same time the message is also delivered. So yeah, I'll just enter my passcode, enter the pin, and the transaction is done. Yeah. So the next thing is the recharge and bill. So before that, I'll just show you how does the profile looks. So my profile would be here, the number, my phone number. If I have to scan or if I have to show my scanner to somebody else for them to pay me, I can show my scanner, my safeguards, my password. If I have to invite friends, I can invite friends. I can edit the profile and log out. So yeah, so coming back to the recharge and bill, I can pay electricity, mobile, credit card, broadband, and the water bill from here. So let's explore one by one. If I have to pay my electricity bill, I'll just click on the electricity bill, and some of the service providers of electricity would be already added. So if I have, say, suppose to pay from the electricity provider, I can just select that. Or if you have any other provider of yours, you can just put the information and then the details will come. Um, I have an electricity provider, so I'll just click that. I'll put my service ID and continue. I'll see that how much I have to pay and what is the due date. So I have to pay $89 in total after adding the service charge. So I'll just go ahead, pay. I'll put my PIN and the transaction is done. So yeah, so it's very easy, it's comfortable, and it's very seamless to do it from the Payhu itself. Just goes with the mobile recharge. So if I have to recharge my phone or if I have to recharge somebody else's phone in my family and stuff, so I can just do that. You can also see the recent charges if you've done. So I'll just go and I'll just add, say suppose I have to do again the recharge, repeat the recharge to Adam. So I'll just do that. I'll just enter the amount and I'll see the plans, and then if I just have to select a talk time one or the unlimited or the international calls, I'll just select any one of them, and then I'll just recharge it. I'll just put my password and the transaction is done. So yeah, so it's very comfortable and easy to do it. Same goes with the credit card. If I have to recharge my credit card or if I have to add another card, I can just do that. um, I can just select it. I can do my credit card bills. I can just again put my password and then enter the PIN, and then the transaction is done. Same goes with the broadband, the water bill. I can just do that. If I have to receive money from anyone, so I can just click on that. I'll just show my scanner, and then the person in front of me can pay it, or if I can just send a screenshot and then send it via text to them. The shopping, let's see this additional function. So the shopping takes you to a lot of different eBay websites or Amazon websites, so you can do that. You can also have the pay who travel, so you can book your tickets from there itself. The scanner, as I said, you can show your scanner to them. There's transaction history, the today how much transaction you've done, the yesterday's, 1 month before that. So all this information is stored here. You can see how much balance is available in your wallet. You can receive money, you can add more money to your wallet or transfer money to bank. You can see your safeguards and you can add the another card as well. You can put the credit card number. You can see which one do you have, like is it a MasterCard or the Visa card or any other cards. You can put your details and then you can just add it, put all this information. That's it from my side.